Welcome to Nursing Study Cycle. This is Vijay Sandra, and today we will discuss about the most important topic is the national programs related to nutrition. Second part. So let's discuss. Part one, we will discuss the national programs related to nutrition, like 11th year plan in 2007 to 2012. Okay, what are all the government, what are all the plans they are implemented? We are seeing yesterday's class. So today we will discuss in 5 plans. Okay, like midday meal plan. Okay, vitamin A prophylaxis program. These all are the discussed in this today. Uh, you will see ICDS means Integrated Child Development Services. MDMP means midday meal scheme program. Then vitamin A prophylaxis. Okay, vitamin A prophylaxis. NN is the National Nutritional Anemia Prophylaxis Program. NIDCCP means National Iodine Deficiency Disorder Controlling Program. Shortly we are called as NIDDCP. So the Integrated Child Development Program, so in this service, so this scheme was started in 1975 to address the issue of the malnutrition, and its beneficiaries are child and below 6 years. Okay, child below 6 years and pregnant and also the lactating women in all states of the India. So in this ICDS, which is started in 1975. Okay, in this scheme, so it is providing the supplementary food for children. Okay, to provide a supplementary food to the children, and also the immunization is which is done, and the regular health checkups are also done, and also the providing reference to taluka and district hospitals. Okay, taluka and district hospitals for the children in need of special treatment. Okay, and also the ensuring formal education. So, and also the monitoring the nutritional status. Okay, so we are monitoring the nutritional status and periodic grading on the malnutrition. Okay, not only this, we are conducting the awareness. Okay, awareness programs on breastfeeding, complementary feeding, and also hygiene. Okay, health and education. Okay, so we are seeing the objectives of ICDS means to improve the nutritional and health status of the children in the age of 0 to 6 years of the children. Okay, in the year of 0 to 6 years of the children, to improve the nutritional and health status of the children at the age of 0 to 6 years. Okay, and also to lay the foundation of the overall development of the child, like physical, social, and also the psychological. We are giving which to lay the foundation of for all the overall the development of the child, and also to reduce the morbidity and mortality, and also the malnutrition, also to reduce the morbidity and mortality, and also the malnutrition. So, and also to achieve effective coordination of policy. Okay, to achieve the effective coordination of the policy and implementation among various departments to achieve the common goal, like promotion. Okay, not only promotion, we are achieving the common goal of encouragement. Okay, to promotion of the child development. So this ICDS, which is implemented functionally through a network of community center, we are called as Anganwadis. So an Anganwadi center is staffed with the local teachers and an Aya who help in the preparation and serving of the food. So this is a integrated child development services. And next we will discussing the MDMP, means midday meal program, also called as school lunch program. So in this school lunch program, this program which is started in Tamil Nadu. Okay, they are first started in Tamil Nadu and implemented all over the states of in India from 1961. So in this midday meal program, what are all the objectives means they are improve literacy and also the nutritional status of the children. So the guidelines we have seen, at least one third of energy means total energy requirement and half of protein requirement. Okay, half of protein requirement should be provided, and local commodities should be used to keep the cost low. Okay, feeding should be done for a minimum of 250 days, minimum of 250 days per year. The menu should be nutritious and changes frequently. They are changed frequently, and also the menu is should be nutritious. And some states like Tamil Nadu serves one egg every day to children. Okay, they are first started in Tamil Nadu, and also they are providing one egg for every day. So the next class we will discussing the vitamin A prophylaxis program and also national nutritional anemia prophylaxis program and also the NIDDCP. So thank you for watching video, and please subscribe to my nursing study cycle channel, and thank you all.